Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and the bears are not dead yet. You got 5 red days here. You have 5 red sessions. They took it as low as 46.5 last night. You got a little bit of a bounce. So you're going to get bounces. You're going to get bounces in markets that head lower. The issue is always, how do the bears react to the bounces, and can they continue to make lower lows? If they can, then they can maintain tape control. If they let go of the rope and they get V'd and we end up closing above key areas, like you really can't give up the 9-day. That's the blue line here. And you got a big fight, and you'll be able to see it on the 5-minute and the hourly in the area of the daily mid-band, as well as the area of the new weekly pivot at 44.79 quarter. So hourly chart, 79 quarters your new weekly. You can see they took it down. So the lows from the big move on the close on Friday, 47 quarter, that area was basically retested overnight, 46.5. Monthly pivot gave it up. Hourly mid gave it up. And for the last 3 hours, we've been back and forth. This is your daily mid band here, the 20-day simple moving average. Above that, you have the weekly pivot, 44.79 quarter. I will be very interested to see where we close relative to the green line and the weekly pivot. Above, below, or maximum confusion would be in between. What I would like to skip today is this. I don't want to play Pong today. I don't want to play Pong because every time we play Pong, I feel like the ball, and I don't want to do that today. So if that's what's happening, if we're going to play Pong between these two lines, then we're not going to trade much today. Because I don't, unless in the room, people, I don't, we're not going to trade chop. We're going to wait for things to resolve. And because there's too many moves lately that are like this one and like this one, that set up just huge moves for us. We don't have to trade the chop. Goals for the month are made, September the 13th. Our day is made. We did an overnight short at 63, against that monthly pivot. We got our runner stopped out overnight when the bears dropped the ball down here, but still made enough on it to get the day done. So, I like coming into a Monday morning that hasn't started yet with the day made. That's always a nice place to be. And the luxury of that is, look, if they just want to chop on either side of that green line, we're not going to participate much. Volume weighted average price today, 65 quarter, hourly mid-band, 65. Then you get up to our proprietary moving average, which is 72.5. 5-minute mid, 73.5. Daily mid, 74.75. The key area off the open for me is going to be 71 to 77, which has been kind of the range since 6:45 in the morning. So it's 8:40 a.m. Eastern time as I'm doing this. So the key is, where do we close relative to these two lines? If you close above, the bulls have a chance to make a run up towards 4,500 and deal with the 9-day. If they can close below, then what you have is the next in a succession of lower highs, and then at that point you got to deal with this 46-47 area. Break that, and it can open up a little bit to the downside. You have things like the 50-day exponential moving average down at 44.05 that start to look interesting if we continue to move to the downside. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy. Remember, this Thursday, the 16th, 12 p.m., free live training in our free private Facebook group. Look, it's a private Facebook group, but it's free. It's free to join, so hop in there. And for my subscribers, we're doing our monthly Q&A tomorrow at noon in the Slack room, and that'll be recorded for you guys for later. So it's got some good training coming up this week. The topic of the free Thursday training for everybody is going to be risk management essentials. So what I think are the 4 or 5 things that are essential to getting on the road to mastering risk management, which is more important than mastering making money. The making money part will come, but it won't come if you don't have the essentials of risk management. So another building block to build on. All right, take care. Trade them well. I'll be out with a midday update. Talk to you then.